guys, so I thought I would do a Easter glam makeup look. I finished one eye already because I just didn't know what look I kind of wanted to do, and so I had to plan it out beforehand. So now I'm just gonna try and recreate the look on my other eye. So I'm gonna start off with the base. I'm using the Norvina palette and the shade color is called Base. I'm doing this because I just want a very white base so that the colors will show up better. All the way up, like a little bit above my crease. And then I'm gonna bring it down a bit too because I am also going to put a little bit of color down here. Doesn't need to be that neat because we're gonna put color on top of it. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade called Love, also from the same palette. Just gonna dab it on. I feel like dabbing it makes the color show up better. It's too much. Just gonna blend that out a bit. I'm going to take a blue shade called Big Sky from this palette, the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I feel like this makes the color show up a lot better than if I were to use a brush. And I'm gonna put it right here, so near the outer edges of my eye, and just pack that color on right here. And then afterwards, I'm going to take the purple shade back into that Norvina palette called Celestial, and then use my finger again, like a different finger, and just dab it onto the upper area, like right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller brush, this one, and just go into the same color and kind of outline where I want this shade to go, like that. And then finally, we're gonna take another small brush and go into the concealer. I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna take a bit and then kind of go where my creases kind of just color it in. And then just use your finger to very lightly get rid of the excess concealer on your lids. Oh, it looks so bad. After that, I'm gonna go into this green shade called Matcha by NARS, and then use a brush and just tap it onto where I put the concealer. I'm gonna go back into the blue shade with my finger and kind of add a little bit more color to it. I feel like shimmers tend to do a better job of blending than solid colors. I'm gonna go into Wild Child. It's another pink, but it's a shimmery pink. I'm gonna use my finger again and just add it right here. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. I don't think they're even, but it's okay. I'm gonna take the concealer with the same brush and then shape the outer corners of my eyes so that it matches where the wing liner ends, like that. And then I'm gonna take the same purple shade and bring it down. We're finally done with the eyeshadow, and so we're gonna go in and apply some fake lashes. Because we're going for a heavier eye look, I think to match we should go with heavier falsies. And I apologize, these are already the heaviest looking falsies I own. So we're gonna have to go with this. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. They don't need to be the most curled, just enough so that it kind of blends better with the falsies that we're gonna apply. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. And then I'm gonna use this Skinny Volume Cara and just put it on the bottom lashes. Because our eyes are super colorful, I'm gonna go with a nudie lip. I'm also gonna skip on the blush today just because we don't want the blush to take away from this. So I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Pat McGrath Flesh Fantasy lip gloss. Just a little bit. And then setting spray. And we are finally done with today's look, or tomorrow's look if you guys want to wear this tomorrow for Easter. And thanks for watching. The products I used are listed down in the description below. I hope you guys have a happy Easter despite social distancing.